Great collectives, you know what we're about.
Huh? Balk the builders on deck.
Kay's here. Yo guys, welcome back to the Collective channel, and I will say today is Sunday. You can clearly see that the title of this video is Swerve Sundays. We right now are about to start what is going to be a regular episode on this channel. Sometimes you might see Kay filming, look. Sometimes Brock might be filming. Yeah. And Kay, tell them what we're gonna do, bro. Tell them the plan.
We're just gonna build something basically, and just stay tuned for it. It's just gonna be a
Swerve it. Literally swerve someone.
I'm not swerving it.
You're not swerving it?
Ah, cool. Everyone's swerving. Yeah. You're gonna get Jake, Harry, and everyone that is in London or might be outside of London that rides here basically to come and swerve this every single Sunday on the channel. There's gonna be consequences every single time. There's gonna be rewards. It might be a bike, it might be money, it might be food, it might be a tea bag. I'm planning out tea bags because I'm trying to go to jail for selling a tea bag, but it's something. There's always going to be something. So
be dangerous.
Remember this moment right now. This is the first episode, and we are literally about to build the wall. So let's go. Bro.
Dora the Explorer, that's her name.
If you were to name this door, what would you name this door? If you were to name it, I know it sounds really weird, but what would you name the door?
Yes, Skitchman.
Reckon two either side?
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah. Okay, what do we have? Okay, we're ready to go.
Obviously, this is to clean things up. Got the stands, got the drill, got the screws, and they're really long. And then we've got the door. So yeah, guys, it's gonna be a madness.
This is the Swerve Limbo.
Swerve Limbo.
Honestly, bro, if we had more balls, I would let you smash it on my face. But we can't get more because there's no one stuck.
Yeah.
Oh no, I don't still.
I B-rap.
What's that? Yo, B-rap, what you say? Long time.
What up? Oh yes, man.
Yo.
What's going on?
Dora's getting her lashes done.
Dora's getting her lashes done.
Yeah. She's at the beauty salon right now.
Wait, who's this chick?
Dora.
This is Dora!
Where are we gonna put a name tag?
Whoa, bro!
That's normally where the letterboxes, you get me?
No press is allowed! Now, the road's closed, man!
No Prius, go!
Go home, pizza boy. Right, fully doing it, Yui.
Yeah. Bro, I'm joking! I'm joking! No Prius can pass. If you do, mate, you might get the spikes. Squad is rolling up. Yes, fam. Yes, brother. Yes, bro.
£50, yeah. I was like, yeah, I'm doing it. As soon as I see this, nah.
Let's go, we're doing this. So yo, everyone, this is Swerve Sunday, yeah? The game is literally, it's gonna be like Swerve Limbo. So there's gonna be like, the halogen bulb is gonna be on Dora. This is our new mate. She's got a bra on. She's got everything protected. She's all covered up in that, yeah. Basically, we're gonna start the ball's gonna be at the top, yeah, and then it's gonna work its way down. So like, if you think you can't do it or it's coming too close, it's gonna get lower and lower every time. But at the bottom of the door, big bulbs. Inside this bulb, yeah, there's gas. So when you hit it, it pops.
I want to sign something.
Yeah, we don't have any. Have you got waivers, Jake?
No waivers.
Yeah, where's the waiver?
You got a chip?
So who's down?
I'm down.
Yeah.
I'm down.
Come on.
Yeah? Okay. If you want to practice on it for a little bit first, and I think if you jump this, you probably get extra points first, maybe, I don't know. What's this? Is this chatting business? Come on. What, you trying to nice him up, the judge and that? Yeah. No. So yo, let's do this. Okay, get your first swerve in. Yeah, give up, mate. Oh. Okay, the bulb is going on. This is level 1. This is a gas bulb, mate.
I'm taking pot.
I thought you was a judge.
No, I'm taking pot.
No pre-zone.
No prayer zone.
It's closed, Peter boy.
It's at the top of our door. It says no prayer zone. Okay, so yo, level 1, the bulb is now in position. As I said before, if you hit this bulb, it's gonna explode. Whoa! Woo! Billy's in. Whoa, man. Okay, level 2. Level 2 is going down. Yo, this thing is a lot lower and it's wonky like this. It's wonky. Get it, fat man! Barney's like, yeah. Whoa! 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 Okay.
Ew. Wow. Rapid.
Oh my god!
Go on, stepping it up. Okay.
Woo! Woo!
Actually, no, I'm doing that one next time.
Just so you know, yeah, level 3 is exactly head height for everybody. So on this one, you're gonna need to duck down as well as getting closer, so level 3. Yep.
Door is pissed.
That's off top. Right.
Right, so get out the road, please.
I'm with my pedal bag, sure.
I know.
I'm not on the sofa.
If you're going to shoot a video, you need to do it somewhere. Yeah, but we can't be doing it in a road. If it wasn't a problem, we wouldn't have been called, would we? We've had a call from members of the public because there's people doing jumps and stuff in the middle of the road.
This kind of thing, if you're doing it,
if you're going to do it,
you can get permission from the council to do it. Do you know that?
The council don't give us permission to do anything.
But if you're going to
you can't do it.
Do it properly. Ask the Olympic Park stuff if you can get somewhere set up off road.
You guys are going to have to go and get these kids off the streets and cause them trouble. So
yeah, but you can't be doing it in a road, can you?
Off the street somewhere, like get permission for a car park or something.
No one gives us permission to do anything, boss.
Well, you can't do it then. Well, then you can't do it.
Exactly. So then you guys are going to have to do more work.
Yeah, look at Dora. She's fucking lonely over there. Oh, poor Dora.
I mean, they don't mind the guys on the scooters and on the skateboards.
To be honest,
nothing like that.
Dora's the main asset to this whole thing. That's Dora.
She's pretty.
She got a brother.
She's pretty.
Get in there. That would be.
She's angry right now.
Yeah.
She's angry, boys.
Like Stratford itself, we have massive gang problems, and things like this do break the gangs because rather than give them.
I can guarantee you that anyone that you guys have issues with, gonna come past this and see what we're doing, and stop and watch and just sit down and probably have a beer and watch.
But while they're doing this, they're not causing problems.
Yeah, of course. Because
doing something constructive.
I'm not being funny, but we can take kids to one side and have a chat.
Yeah, of course.
And it's taking money out of you. You know, but you guys, you're on the scene. You know what you're talking about. They respect you.
You guys are cool, man. I understand it.
Yeah. So we'll make some emails, inquiries, and see what we can do for you.
Thank you very much.
Contact me.
Emails and all that.
Thank you, my man. So yo guys, yo, the police left, yeah, what should we do? Should we move it to another location? I feel like Dora's not finished. Dora continues, next location, come on.
She's back in action.
She's wonky. Yo, level 3 is back in action, who's ready? Let's go!
Nah, this kid's good.
Whoa! Someone's taking this match. Whoa! Yes, sir! Oh my god! I think you should just hop on a C100 to be honest, and it might be better. What the fuck? Yes! Wow! Whoa!
Yeah, it's getting a bit loose.
Okay, everyone, you survived that round, yeah? Level 4. Dora got some nipples. Okay, yo. Level 4 is not. So you can see how low it is. Suits you're a madman. 12 gone now. Even if you did 12 on the dishes, still.
Wait, so when you swerve,
That was almost a 50 pound gone. Yo, just so you know, yeah. If this smashes, yeah, 50 quid's gone. Yo, level 4, let's go. This is low now. Whoa. Yes, Bryce. Ooh. Yo, the crutch almost took out Dora, mate.
I'm gonna start around it later when it's on the lowest, yeah?
Yeah.
If it don't smash.
Oh, it's a wrap. It's a wrap. Barney, stay off, mate. Woo! Oh. Yo, so a quick update for everyone. Soul's in first place right now. He went the lowest, the closest, and went straight under. Jay, and then Jake's in second, I reckon. You went blowing.
Yeah?
Innit? Jake's like, level 5. Let's go.
Let me borrow it. It's right under my feet. But this is not quite underneath it.
What you saying?
It's right under my fork. I might just take my front wheel.
You ready for this?
Yeah.
So yo, all I'm saying is, level 5 is low. You better get ducking. What's a crutch? Ooh. And it didn't drop.
then look, he's gonna be like that. It's heavy. I'll go like second.
Level 6, are you in it or not?
I'm gonna do that one.
Bryce? Yeah. Okay, level 6, let's go. Small.
Bro, send him to bed or something. That's not fair.
Let's go, level 7. Now, yeah.
We have another round on that.
Are we going down?
Another round on that.
We going down?
Yo, another round or should we go lower? Lower?
Lower. Just lower, but
Another lower.
Oh, right. People have requested you to Swerve.
Next time. No, because the next one we're doing water balloons filled with paint in it, so... Level 7! I didn't think any of you would make it here, bro. Jeez. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 doors. Wow. 8.
Oh my god. 8 doors. Oh, you didn't move it down that much.
8 doors. 8 doors, mate. Level 8 now, yeah? This is crazy. Crazy. Keith, you got this. And yo, you gotta go underneath. We got a quitter.
No, I took a mic.
We got a quitter.
No talking, just go in it.
Smash it. Listen, Kai.
We out here.
That last one was good.
Bro. 2 on the side. This one, we got it. Let's go again.
100.
Yo, we got this.
Right now we're on the collective live.
It's under my nips. It's under my nips.
Nipple level, on the Dora level.
Nipple level.
Dorski. Yes. Yo, Bryce is a savage. Okay, so yo, this one, yeah, you have to go under.
I'll brush it out.
We can go lower for you because you're smaller. We need to go, everyone's got to go under. Rematch or you reckon you can get underneath it again?
No one did. This is valuable.
Okay, yo, everyone said one more round on this one and then one more round.
We all get £50, yeah!
Swerve it. Oh.
I know! It hit my ear a little bit. It hit my ear.
They just left him. They had the bang to come back.
I was gonna go deep in on that one. Dora shit herself.
We're leaving Dora here. Everyone's gonna be so confused. Actually, I think we should leave it here.
Just leave the door in the middle.
Yeah, just leave it here.
Nah, Dora's a living legend.
Yeah, hashtag Dora.
Have you got a winning speech?
How far can Dora go?
Practice.
Yes. Have you got a loser speech?
Lose? What?
You didn't win.
Yeah. You won from technical difficulties, yeah.
Affected your balance and that.
Me and Bryce, we split that. And I think they'll agree with me as well.
Bryce, what are you gonna do with that £25?
Souls, it's a draw between Soul and Bryce.
Is there a problem? Is there a problem?
Good job, Bryce. Yo, good job. Good job. So yo, next Sunday we're gonna be doing the same again on the channel. I don't know who's gonna have the camera, whether it be Jake. Oh, you're in New York? I'm in New York, yeah. It'll be Jake, Kay, Little Harry, it'll be someone on the channel. But next Sunday, every Sunday, Swerve Sundays are gonna be going. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you comment below, let us know what Swerve challenges you wanna see us do. Make sure you subscribe, turn on your notifications, and I'll see you next weekend.